Uh, uh. Hey, true, bet that up for the track. We gonna take it to the top, and that's the truth.
Stop scrolling. Are you still using outdated tools and messy gear every day? In this video, we're revealing mind-blowing gadgets that solve everyday problems fast. Subscribe now and check the description below for all product links. If you struggle to stay focused or constantly find yourself procrastinating during work or study sessions, this tiny gadget is a complete game changer. Meet the Printer's Jack Productivity Cube. Instead of messing with phone apps that pull you into social media, just flip this cube to instantly start a 3, 5, 10, 25, 30, or 60-minute countdown. It features built-in Pomodoro mode, custom timers, and customizable mute, vibration, or sound alerts, making it ideal for deep work, study, or managing ADHD focus. It's sleek, super easy to use, and available right now. Next, how many times have you needed a screwdriver, pliers, or a pair of scissors only to realize you don't have a bulky toolbox nearby? This is the NexTool Mini Flagship F12, an incredible 15-in-1 keychain multi-tool that fits right in your pocket. Built with upgraded stainless steel, it packs full-size pliers, a sharp knife, serrated scissors, screwdrivers, a bottle opener, and even a file into an ultra-compact frame. It features a built-in safety lock and a sturdy pocket clip, making it the ultimate everyday carry gadget for home, work, or outdoor adventures. Next, tired of dragging around heavy, noisy blowers or spending hours drying your car after a fresh wash? This is the WOLFBOX MF400, a powerful cordless jet blower and car dryer built for maximum speed and convenience. Powered by a high-speed brushless motor, it delivers crazy air velocities to blast away wet leaves, workshop dust, or water droplets from every crease of your car without touching the paint. With 3 speed modes, a hard case, and an ultra-lightweight design, it makes cleanups effortless. Next, ever wished your phone could feel less like a boring piece of glass and more like a real, interactive companion on your desk? Meet LOOI Robot, the desktop accessory that instantly turns your smartphone into an intelligent AI robot companion. Powered by ChatGPT integration, LOOI brings your phone to life with over 1,000 expressive emojis, voice dialogue, and smart interactive gestures. It acts as an AI learning assistant while doubling as a 10-watt wireless charging dock to keep your device powered up all day, making your workspace infinitely more engaging and fun. Next up, keeping your car spotless has never been this effortless. Meet the BASEUS Handheld Car Vacuum, a powerful 2-in-1 vacuum and blower. Packed with a high-speed motor generating up to 12,000 pascals of intense suction, it instantly swallows up crumbs, sand, and pet hair hiding deep inside your seats. But here is the real game changer. When you flip it around, it doubles as a high-powered blower to blast dust out of tight AC vents, cup holders, and even your PC keyboard. It's completely cordless, lightweight, and fits right in your glove box, giving you 25 minutes of deep cleaning on a single charge. Next on our list, achieving professional-grade car detailing right at home just got incredibly easy. Standard car polishers are way too heavy, expensive, and easily ruin your paint in tight spots. That is why you need the BATOCA S5 cordless mini polisher. Weighing only 0.9 kilograms, this ultra-compact 12-volt tool delivers a highly efficient 5,500 revolutions per minute. It is specifically designed to effortlessly buff out ugly scratches, swirls, and oxidation on headlights, door handles, and emblems. With a massive set of interchangeable detailing pads, you get complete control to shine every single crevice without messy cords. Next, this tiny lifesaver is an absolute must-have for every single driver on the road. Meet the BASEUS Sharp Tool Emergency Hammer Pro, your ultimate 3-in-1 car rescue device. If you ever find yourself trapped in a vehicle, standard tools are useless against tough car glass. This gadget features a heavy-duty, compression spring window breaker that instantly shatters safety glass with a single press. Even better, it includes a razor-sharp guarded seatbelt cutter to slice through jammed straps in a split second, alongside a built-in emergency flashlight with 4 signaling modes to guide your way or call for help. It's compact, ultra-durable, and mounts right within arm's reach. Next up, upgrade your car's defense with the ultimate eyewitness on the road. This is the DDPAI Dash Cam N5 Dual, packing massive security features into a sleek design. Boasting stunning 4K resolution in the front and 1080p in the rear, it captures razor-sharp license plates and road details, even in pitch-black conditions, thanks to its advanced night vision. But what sets it apart is the built-in smart AI assistant featuring voice control, GPS tracking, and an advanced driver assistance system that warns you of potential collisions. With a 24-hour parking mode, it keeps guard even when you are parked. Protect yourself from false insurance claims and drive with absolute peace of mind. Next, if your car's center console is always a messy web of tangled charging cords, you need to see this. This is the LISEN 4-in-1 retractable car charger. Delivering a powerful 69 watts of high-speed charging, it features built-in retractable cables that extend up to 31.5 inches, allowing both front and back seat passengers to charge simultaneously without any mess. When you're done, the cables pull back neatly into a compact unit. With dual fast charging ports for all modern smartphones, it's a must-have car upgrade. Which gadget was your favorite? Grab yours using the links down in the description, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.